Not much time before we get some action, right, guys? That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing way. We do it like that. Jamaican shore fishing. I know you guys miss me. It's been a bit. You hear my voice, I'm kind of tired. Voice don't sound too good. I was up all night last night till early this morning. And I finally get a chance to get out, guys. My voice is raspy right now because I've been up all night. And it's just been a very long night, guys. I haven't had a chance to get out, guys. It's been crazy. It's been a lot of work. Spend a lot of time, a lot of hours trying to build myself back up with what's been happening in my life. But thank you guys for staying with me. Thank you guys for joining me and keep supporting me. I appreciate all you guys, and I love you guys 100%. That's why I got up this morning, pushed the extra effort to get out, get this video in for you guys, because I haven't been able to push out any videos. Apologies for that, guys, but you know how life is. Life challenges. So bless up yourselves. Stay tuned, guys. I'm outside, solo. Not with anybody today. We're on the grounds that me and Brian was on before. I'm going to shoot a video today for you guys and see what we can pick up. So stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. One love. All right, guys. Same ground. We're going to head that way in a bit. We're going to try to go this way first and get that early cast in. I'm going to do a little bit of wade fishing. The water is pretty up. I haven't used this rod in about 2 weeks. Let's see what's up. See if we can pick up something close by. Get that out there, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. I'm going to go out there in the water, guys, but I want to just make sure that there's nothing hanging around here in the water before I get into it. Let me get down here. See if I can get a good cast out that way. Hope I don't get stuck. Nothing yet. Alright, let's go for it. Wet feet. Hoorah! Let's do this. Pretty high tide. I got my phone in my pocket. A whole bunch of fish below my feet here, guys. Ooh. Slippery rocks. Let's get this in. That's what's up. Oh, damn. Not getting any pickups yet. No chases. That lure's not swimming good coming back in. See it, guys? It's swimming on top. That means hook's hitched up. I'm gonna run this little walk down again, but them damn dogs, I don't like messing with dogs, man. Let's run that run again, guys. You got a whole bunch of fish underneath this piece of board right here. It's crazy, right? Get my phone out of my pocket and step down. This thing is deep. It's going past my knees now. That's why I was trying to get my phone up so I don't get wet when I have it in my pocket. Alright, let's get it. See if we can pick something up, guys. A little small barrel or something like that. I see some bait fish in the water. That's a good sign. That means there's food, there's fish. He's hitching grass there, guys. Kind of low. You guys see the grass right here? It's pretty low. I should have made a new wily tail, but be all right with this one. It's not chopped up yet. A whole bunch of fish in the water, guys. I'm surprised I haven't gotten a hit yet, but that's what happened last time. There's bait fish here, guys. Oh, there's bait fish. I see you. What is that? I see something swimming swimming towards me, guys. Look like little baby longjaws. Oh, grass. Oh, damn it. I'm good with wet foams, right? That's real slippery. Mangrove snapper, or lane snapper. Fish on, guys. Barra. Fish on. Ooh, yeah. Look at him, guys. He got hit pretty good. Got him. Fish on, guys. There, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That's what's up. Not much time before we get some action, right, guys? That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing way. You do it like that. Alright, guys. So, that's it, guys. I'm going to go on a little bit further and see if I can pick something else up. So, stay tuned. Outside. Alright, guys. We got our fish. We got our fish. My leader got bent up. And, heading back to the other side to see what I can pick up over there. You need to move this thing in the bag, Jay. Don't mess around with your phone. Alright, guys, so we just hit this batter over there a while ago. I decided in my mind to try the other side in deeper waters and see what bigger ones I can pick up if there's any over there. Got him hanging. He's alright. He's secured. Got my phone out of my pocket to feel a bit better. Trying to see if we can pick something else up here, guys. We're gonna go around, guys. I'm not gonna go deeper into this water because then I'm gonna wet my pants up further, and I don't want to do that because I don't have a towel with me. I wasn't really prepared for this today, guys, to be honest to you. I was tired. I wasn't gonna get up, but I said, you know what? Let me get a video in for you guys. Wow, look at these snappers. Look, this is a big snapper, boy. I don't know what the hell he's looking at. Look. Ooh, Barra hit, guys. You hear that? You guys hear that Barra hit? That was a Barracuda hit. Let's get that Barra. That was a Barra hit right there, guys. If that wasn't a Barra hit. Yep, and all these snappers are hiding behind me. I don't see him. Look, the snipers are all hiding behind my legs, guys. That's hilarious. Look, there goes a big one right there. Big, nice little snapper. And they're hiding. I've hit a couple of these schoolmaster snappers on the lure before. But a hit that I just seen a while ago is like a definite barrel hit, guys. I want that line going over that ship. It was a small barrel. There you go. I can see him. He's not that big. Real juvie. Alright, we're going to move down. Yeah, we have a whole bunch of snappers that's hanging out over here. You can see them hanging out. Yeah, they're hanging out. Not really chasing anything like that. But we're going to walk around, guys. See what we can pick up further down the line. Let's go. Jamaica Shore Fishing Way. We are out here. Catch and cook today, guys. That's what's up. Me and Laurie got ourselves a nice little barrel to cook. We'll go around the other side, guys. We'll jump on this side and see if we can come out. See what we can get on this side. Yeah, I can walk this way around. I can hang my fish right there too. Hang my fish. Totally secured. Alright, guys. Ooh, little small barra chase it, guys. Look, he's right there. Look, he's looking at the lure. He's a little small guy though. Look at him. He's ready to hit. That's what him and them snappers see who's gonna grab it first. Yeah, snappers are chasing it. Little small baby barra. He's staring at something. Their eyesight's are really good, guys. So they hunt all the time. Got somebody on a kayak out there. Hey guys, just checking out the water back here, see what's up. If I don't pick anything else up, it's all good. We got one. I'm contented with that, but we're just giving it another shot to see if we can pick anything else up. So let me put this fish down real quick, guys. Try and avoid these birds. Get my line secured. Hey, shore fishing fans, I miss you guys, man. I actually just got a second wind a while ago. You know when you're tired and you get a second wind? That's what it is right now. I got a second wind. After catching that barra, that adrenaline started pumping, boy. Little long jaws chasing, guys. Let's get it down there again another few times. So sometimes they don't grab on the first bite. Alright, we're gonna go around, guys. Got a couple of casts in there. Sun's starting to come up. I don't want the sun to catch me dead smack moving in this water. Oh boy, where are we gonna walk? Alright, let's go this way. Whoop whoop. Sure fishing way. Out there, guys. That's what's up. Definitely killing it. Definitely killing it. Killing it, guys. Killing it. Definitely killing it. Killer. That was like a reverb. Well, damn, nobody's been back here in a while for the spider web to be back here like this. Show you how strong a spider web is. I think they make some kind of Kevlar from spider webs. That's how strong it is. So, you know, guys. A hanging spot for my fish. Oh, it's pretty heavy, but that's not gonna work. Oh, there we go. Over the water. So, I see a barra already. One's right there. Let's get our fish on up. Yep. Baby ballyhoo's chasing it. Hey guys. So it's been crazy, man. I'm gonna leave this bad boy here. I don't think we'll need that grip tool right away, but see what happens. Barracudas are funny creatures, man. Let's get him up. Now, guys, we should go around this, but all right. The Barracuda hunt is on the hunt, guys. That's what's up. I see all these schoolmaster snappers, but they're not that big. Even though I wouldn't mind hitting a good one today. Oh boy, I almost fell. Shit. And that whole side fell off, guys. Sooner or later I won't have a wall to walk on. Yeah, that's collapsing. And be extremely careful. Yeah, these sides are collapsing, guys. We gotta be careful. Look, there's erosion has been damaging the shoreline wicked. Oh, look at that pufferfish right there, guys. See them? They move pretty quick. A whole bunch of bait fish right here in the corner. I'm surprised I don't see Mr. Barra hanging out. He's normally around close to his food, guys. That's how they operate. They stay close. You see all of this? All of this is about to fall into the water any moment. Okay, we're gonna pick something up here, guys. A whole bunch of jacks chasing it, guys. Look at this. Get around this side, guys. This is where I killed that 11-pound barrel rat on this rod. Right there in that same exact spot I hit that barrel. Nothing. Hey guys, nothing yet, guys. That's it. I'm not gonna stay out any longer. Like I said, guys, I'm a bit tired, a bit famished and exhausted from last night events. It was crazy. Oh boy. I wonder if there's any squids about. Even though I've never squid jigged here before. I've seen octopus, seen all kinds of stuff here, but never squid. Alright guys, well, we'll head in. Jamaican shore fishing. Thank you guys. Thank you for jumping in. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And remember, check the description below for all the gears that I use. Daiwa, BG series, Shakespeare Micro Series rod, and Yazori Crystal Minnow lure. That was done today on the kill. Alright guys, so thank all you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. Bless up yourself. Jamaican shore fishing. Outside.